Good morning, everyone. I am Sivagami Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to talk about what is meant by black box testing in software engineering. Okay, let's see. The first one in design thinking stages. Yeah, we are going to talk about black box testing belongs to test stage because it validates the final solution. There are many testings are there. In that particular testing, one of the testing is black box testing. In the black box testing, it validates the final solution. The next one is check if user needs are satisfied. What are the user needs and what are the satisfaction about based on user. So ensure the system works according to the requirements. The next one, introduction to black box testing. Black box testing is nothing but it is a software testing technique. One of the test technique testing functionality without knowing internal code. The third one is focuses on input and output the behavior. It is also called as a functional testing and behavioral testing. One of the black box testing also called functional testing and behavioral testing. The next one, this is the simple diagram of black box testing. Whenever we are going to giving the input, then automatically it will provide the output use of black box testing. The next one, types of black box testing. There are many types of black box testing out there. The first one is a regression testing. The second one is the functional testing. The third one is non-functional testing. These three testing means it also called as black box testing uh, types. The next one is key characteristics of black box testing. There are four key characteristics of black box testing. The one is independent testing. The second one is requirements based testing, functional testing, the no knowledge of internal code. It is also called as a key characteristics of black box testing. The next one is different types of black box testing. There are many different types of black box testing. Example, regression testing, functional testing. So that's called a compatibility testing, a security testing, sanity testing, smoke testing, user interface testing, a regression testing, and also called as a non-functional testing. These are all different types of black box testing. The next one is what are the techniques we have to perform using black box. There are black box testing techniques. There are five categories of black box testing. The first one is equivalence partitioning. That equivalent partitioning is nothing but it will divide the input data. Whenever we are giving the input data, it will divide into the equivalent partitions. Whenever we are giving more three or more four giving input means automatically it will default automatically it will divide as a partition, equal partition, that can be tested with a single test case, that is called equivalent partitioning. The second one is boundary value analysis. Boundary values analysis is nothing but it will test the boundaries between the partitions. Whenever we are giving the inputs like a partition, the boundary value test analysis, it automatically it will test the between two partitions or three more partitions. The third one is decision table testing. In this decision table testing, it will uses the table represent combinations of input and their corresponding output. The fourth one is state transitioning testing. It will examine the behavior of the system as it is transition between different states based on the events. The fifth one is usability testing. The final is called as a usability testing. It will include creating the test cases based on the use cases. The next one is advantages of black box testing. Advantages of black box testing. The first one is the tester does not need to have a more functional knowledge or programming skills to implement the black box testing. The user don't have more functional knowledge regarding the black box testing and also programming skills to implement this black box testing. It is efficient for implementing the test in the larger system. Tests are executed from the user or client's point of view. Test cases are easily reproducible. So this is called of advantages of black box testing. Thank you.